What's up my mates of YouTube, my name is Aussie Marcel, the most luscious locks on YouTube, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a review of Abercrombie Fitch's First Instinct. So yeah, I got this gift set at Chemist Warehouse yesterday for $29. Well, the box was in front of a $29 tag. I took it up to the counter and I put it in front of the checkout chick and she said it's actually 70 bucks, but she gave it to me for $29 anyway because it was in front of the $29 tag. I'm pretty happy with that. Maybe she just liked me, maybe she was just having a good day and wanted to pass that on to somebody else. I don't know, I don't really care, but I'm happy that I got it for $29. First Instinct is also my fragrance of the day, and so I'm just going to get into that. The gift set contained a hair and body wash, 3.4 fluid ounces, 100 ml. I'm just going to give this to the old man because I'm sure as hell not going to use it, and I'm sure he'd appreciate it because he'll probably actually use it. And it contains a 50 ml, or how much is it? 1.7 fluid ounces bottle of Abercrombie Fitch's First Instinct. Judging by the bottle alone, I thought this was going to be just a generic, masculine, fresh and clean scent. Perhaps a little similar to Fierce, but nothing more than that. What I actually got was a super prominently leather and suede fragrance with some musk as well. It's not a dirty animalic leather and musk either. The leather and musks used here in First Instinct are one of the first instances I can actually think of where both of those notes and accords have been used in a fresh way. The only other thing I can possibly compare this to is Burberry Brit Intense, I think it is. It's the bottle that's dark grey and has like a really textured finish, like sort of spiky. Anyways, this bottle is also textured, as you can probably tell here. It's quite nice. And yeah, I also get some aquatic notes here, and apart from that, it's just like a leather scent on my skin, but just a more gentle, tame, fresh and clean take on leather. Some of the listed notes are melon and citrus as well, but I actually don't get a lot of fruitiness. Maybe in the first minute of wearing the fragrance, I get a touch of that fresh, clean, fruity sweetness, just a touch of it. But that's pretty much overridden by the leather and the musk here, which are the prominent notes. Yeah, this scent is remarkable in that I was not expecting a leather scent, and I got it. I got one. I wore it last night after I showered. I think that was like 7 o'clock at night, and by the time I went to bed, with just two sprays of the fragrance, I could still smell it quite strongly. I could even smell it when I woke up, despite the bed, like linen, rubbing it off. Yeah, and then I applied it again this morning just because I wanted to keep it fresh in my mind for this review today. It's a great scent. It's versatile, it's long lasting, which is quite rare for Abercrombie & Fitch. Usually when you think of Abercrombie & Fitch, you just think of Fierce and all the Fierce clones that are out there. Why hasn't nobody cloned this? It's actually a great scent. Like, it's one of the only examples I can think of a fresh and clean leather scent. And for that reason, it's super versatile in my opinion. I mean, it's summer right now, and granted, today has been pretty mild, and yesterday was mild as well, the weather. But yeah, First Instinct has an awful lot of versatility, and I can see this being worn comfortably any season, any occasion. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, wear it with a biker jacket, wear it with a denim jacket, wear it with a bloody suit. You'll smell fantastic and you'll look fantastic as well. First Instinct is one of the most unique fragrances I've ever worn that comes from like a designer brand. I just didn't expect what I got. What I got was fresh, leather and musk, and I don't see those notes being used all too often in conjunction with one another. It's just a great scent, and like I said, performance is super solid. Longevity, silage is pretty good as well, and then we've got the versatility to take into account as well. All in all, I'm feeling a 8.5 out of 10 here. It probably gets an extra half point just purely because I'm so surprised by how good this fragrance actually is. Like, Abercrombie and Fitch aren't one of those brands that I immediately associate with fantastic fragrances, but here we are. We've got the first Abercrombie and Fitch fragrance that I can recommend as being both solidly priced and solidly performing. Also, I would like to add that if you're somebody that doesn't like overly masculine fragrances, if you're more in the market for a unisex scent, and you like unisex leather scents, definitely check out First Instinct, because despite being a slightly masculine fragrance, I can see anybody pulling this one off. Not just men, not just women, whoever. Just try this if you like your leather scents. Anyway, have you ever worn First Instinct before? If you have, let me know in the comments below, as I'm always curious to hear what you guys think. And yeah, I'd also like to hear what you guys think about the other Abercrombie and Fitch fragrances. And until my next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, the most luscious locks on YouTube. I'll catch you guys around.